Good morning, YouTubers. Well, came to start the truck up this morning. She wouldn't start. She's just clicking. So, checked all the battery terminals. They're all good. Well, they were pretty loose, some of them. Tightened them all up. Starter, had that negative, was a bit loose. And gave her a try and still just kept clicking. Checked the solenoid up here. She's working. Alternator was charging. So, well, it's got power. ECM has power. She's just clicking. So there's a little fuse down here. I believe it's for the ECM, but it's weird because the lights all did its thing on the dash. So it's a little 10 amp fuse in there. Always keep one of these guys handy because you never know. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that in there. It was blown, and let's see what happens. Nope, still nothing. Oh, I went ahead and put the fuse, but I seen some corrosion on the wire here. So this could be it right here. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle that around and see if she starts. That could be the culprit. Oh, there you go. So what was that? Always keep a fuse handy and check your battery terminals, solenoids, alternator, but I wasted a lot of time. Always keep one of these guys handy, you never know. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that corroded wire all cleaned up.